Say it, in English.
What is the conditional mood in English? We use the conditional mood for hypothetical scenarios, an event that might happen. When we are uncertain about whether something is going to happen, we speculate about the outcome. Conditional sentences are composed of two parts: the if clause that introduces the condition, and the main clause that explains the result or outcome if the condition is met. What is the zero conditional? We use the zero conditional for certain and true outcomes. This means that if a certain condition is met, the outcome always happens. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If the condition of heating water is met, the outcome happens. Zero conditional sentences have two main forms. This is the typical form of the zero conditional. We use if plus present simple, and then another present simple. And we always use a comma after the if clause. For example, if the sun shines, the temperature rises. The other is the inverted form. In this form, the main clause comes first, followed by the if clause. And both clauses are present simple. We don't use comma after the main clause. For example, the temperature rises if the sun shines. Look at these examples. If it rains, the ground gets wet. You get good grades if you study hard. If you watered the plant, it grows. The room becomes dark if you turn off the lights. Let's practice. Look at the picture and make a zero conditional sentence. Great! If you pour juice into the glass, it gets full. You stay healthy if you eat vegetables. If Emma shops online, she can find better deals. If you follow the recipe, the food turns out delicious. The windows stay clear if you clean them regularly.
This is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the future progressive tense. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.